How to fix iPhone not charging. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your iPhone is simply not being charged even when you insert multiple times your charger on your iPhone charging port. So first thing what you might want to do is just always check your charging port, because it's most likely the hardware issue that is your charging port. Either your charging port on your iPhone is not working correctly because of dust, or it has been damaged. So either way you can just check it out and determine, and always make sure to keep the both iPhone port and iPhone chargers clean. If it's the issue regarding software, you can always come back to your settings and click on general, and always try to update your software update, because it's the only thing you can perform. You can also actually search in for battery option just like this, and you can see the battery health charging option. You can optimize it from over here, but except that you cannot do anything which might fix your issue. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.